Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Realme 12 Plus for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, in the search, enter the simple mode. Click on it and then select enter simple mode. When you enter it, you will see that all of the icons as well as the text becomes much bigger. So that means it's much easier to see anything or read anything. And when you go to the settings, they are limited. That means it's really hard to change something in the settings when it's not intended and, for example, break your phone. Now, if you want to exit this simple mode, click on the exit simple mode inside the settings and it should be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.